In this video, we're out in the field with the New Holland TR99 combine. The New Holland TR99 was the biggest combine that they made in the late 90s and early 2000s. So this is a really cool combine to see. I like seeing it set up with the duals like this. It's running a 25-foot flex head on it. This guy is running as a one-man operation today, so he's hoping to get about 40 acres of soybeans harvested. If he has help, he can get up to 60 acres per day harvested. The New Holland TR99 is a 280 horsepower combine. It's powered by a Genesis 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine. It has a 240 bushel grain tank and a 2.2 bushel per second unload rate. I thought this was really exciting because I found this taking some back roads home from some filming I was doing. The combine was working in the back of the field and I was pretty sure it was a New Holland, so I pulled in to check, and it was exciting to see that it was this TR99 combine. When I was talking to the farmer, he mentioned that this farm has always been a New Holland combine farm, even though they run different brands of tractors. They run some Massey Fergusons and some others. But they've always stuck with the New Holland combines. Before these, they owned 2 New Holland TR70 combines, and they just really like the job that the New Hollands do for harvesting. Now I'm going to let you enjoy watching and listening to this New Holland TR99 combine harvesting soybeans. I hope you've enjoyed being out in the field with the New Holland TR99 combine harvesting soybeans. If you enjoy these farming videos, please take a minute to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you run a New Holland combine on your farm. Thank you for watching.